Guess what? I'm back. Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. Man, it feels amazing to say that. This video is just a short video to let you guys know that I'm back, and I want you guys to stay tuned to androdollar.com because I'm gonna be pumping out articles over there as well as pumping out videos right here on YouTube as well. So in case if you are not subscribed to the channel, definitely go ahead and hit on that subscribe button right now and tell your friends about my YouTube channel, tell about Andro Dollar, and also definitely go ahead and hit on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a new video here on YouTube. Also, if you think that I forgot about the Moratuwa giveaway, no I didn't. I'm gonna be picking the winner of the Moratuwa giveaway finally tomorrow. So today is the 1st of August and tomorrow in the evening I'm going to be coming live on YouTube. So definitely go ahead and enable that notification bell icon right now so that you will be notified exactly when I come live on YouTube, and we are going to pick the winner of the Moratuwa live together. So let's do it tomorrow evening. I just wanted to make this quick little video to inform you guys that I'm back and I'm going to be making some awesome videos for you guys. In the coming few days I have a bunch of gadgets and bunch of devices, some unreleased devices here in the studio as well. So I'm in the testing phase right now. I'm gonna be making some awesome videos for you guys on those. So yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to say hi, and I hope all of you are doing well as well. So yeah, that's about it. Then I will see you guys tomorrow in the evening to pick the winner of the Huawei Nova 2i. I'll see you there. Bye. Oops. No. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out. That's how we do it on Andro Dollar.